This
Even
conference will now be recorded.
yeah. So it's getting recorded, taking time. Let's okay. The problem is starting or got it fine. We didn't do. Yes, but we will have a recording session definitely. Yes, it started. So now you see a request JSON how we will be creating. As I told you, left side will be key, right side will be value. We will see deep JSON. We will parse this JSON. We will see the root is Java, backbone is Java. If we know this language, no, even any language you can learn very easily, either Python, Ruby, JavaScript. In the beginning, I started my career with Java, and I have worked in Python, Perl, Ruby, and now JavaScript, TypeScript, right? So this Java is very much famous from beginning, 1995, right? Even Python has come before that, but it got more popularity. Nowadays, Python is getting famous because of AI and all those things. But yes, AI is just like we have made a rumor, but exact information what we desire it doesn't give. Still, a lot of things are there in AI, right? But here Java, you know, if someone asks what is Java programming language or what is Java, what you will tell? Okay, this is a language used to develop application. Okay, it is having very simple client and server architecture. Okay, it is having JVM. It is object-oriented programming language. It is having distributed system. It is having multi-threading concept. A lot of things we will say. But one line you say, Java is a commercial language actually. It is used for business, you won't believe, right? You see most of the banking application, e-commerce domain, right? E-commerce domain, buying and selling the product throughout the world, everyone is doing the same, right? And these are the application developed in Java from beginning, correct? Now they have integrated several languages, but from beginning, let's say Flipkart, you say Amazon or whatever, from beginning they have developed like that. So why they do? To earn money, right? So it's a commercial language actually, and it's open source, right? And here, if you know Java, you can learn even you can learn Karate API automation very easily. You can learn SOAP also, Groovy, right? Some might be pronounced wrongly, but these all language you can use if you know this Java. So backbone is Java. Now this JSON format from where it came? Okay, from Java, the child is JavaScript. Okay, in JavaScript this is getting used. Okay, sir, JSON. Fine, JSON key value pairs are there. Okay, how we'll make a JSON? How we'll read a JSON? In how many ways we can find the attribute and value? In testing, in your company, what you will be doing with API testing? You will be finding, okay, write a test case to find whether this passenger 6 and date on and this one New Delhi, from should be New Delhi, and passenger total number of passengers should be 6. So these informations are present or not? Okay, I will be finding, okay, I have some information like let's say in a student's library. Okay, books name, I want to know books name. Okay, books name is, let's say, something, what is that, rich dad poor son, something is there, poor son. So this book name is there. Okay, let's say book name, the title is there, right? So if you want to fetch the several books and you got the book information, being a tester, what you need to validate? Okay, rich dad poor dad, whether it's available in this book stock or not. Okay, the title of the book, like that. Okay, the famous book, same way. So whether this is present or not. So like this, you have API testing. Same way, manual testing, you're writing a test case and validating expected value and actual value. Here also, we are going to do the same job. But in terms of API from backend, okay, these many images are available here or not. If I want to fetch, okay, 20 flights are available or not. How many flights are available? How we can book a seat? How we will get the, the traveling domain project? If you are working, thousands of integration will happen. Someone told, no, Salesforce they are using. In Salesforce, thousands of sub applications are there. in Salesforce, right? And how they are integrating these thousands modules, they are integrating. How they are integrating? Through API. They keeps the information of all those parties, and just they have given one central place, and they have, yeah, they are utilizing it. So Salesforce project, too much extensively this API is getting used actually, because integrations are there. One center is Salesforce, and here a lot like CRM, so many applications will be there, though all are integrated to with one server, and everyone is having some API information. So the important is we will be now what we are going to learn here. We are going to learn here. I will tell you more details. Just this is a first class, so I have given just overview to understand what exactly API is. That's it. This much only I told you today, not more than that. So we are going to use REST assured plus Java plus extra. I will be giving you Serenity BDD framework, which is booming, right? And with this you can integrate any CI/CD tools, right? You can customize the reporting part, reporting tools, correct? So this will be very much useful here. And to do all this, what is the basic things? We need to know Java. Everyone knows Java. Now I am writing a program, a simple program, another 2 minutes. Let's say class A. Okay, public static void main. Here I am writing just simply here one program. Just this is Java format program. If you know, don't know also, it's okay. I think you all will be knowing. Just I am writing one small program, and here you will be writing here system.out.println 3 lines, or I am writing in short format s.o.p. Now you only tell, sir, hello. I am writing here hello, just hello. Fine. Now, did you try this? I am writing here my name Chandan. What will happen? Will it get executed?
Yes, it will get executed.
And if I will write it here array,
No.
will it get int? So we will see these small things also we'll see. And yes, good. We can write, we can do that, but we'll see the small things. But here main thing is oops, object oriented programming. That is very much important. See, we can do 1,000 lines of code. We can write, we can refer Google, we can do it. But the thing is, this is backbone of Java. Here we will do hundreds of program, small programs, and parallelly REST API example we will do. Let's say I told you, boss, through a static keyword we have used several things. So this static keyword, how we will use in REST assured framework, that is very much useful, like that. So we will be starting Java, in between we will take REST assured also, we will be doing that. Okay, so Java we will complete, do parallelly we'll do REST assured tool also. So even if you know Java, you can switch for UI automation, API automation. You can do karate also. There also they are using okay, fine, TypeScript, JavaScript. Now it's getting merged everything. But if you know Java, these parts are very easy, right? So rest assured we'll see a lot how to fetch the data, how we'll fetch the, like how we'll extract some keys from the response. Okay, how we'll validate, what are the exposed API if we'll hit, then how we'll get the response, what format, how we can parameterize, right? These all things we will do. One Java example we'll do, with same example we will do one rest assured concept, where then we will get to know, okay, this is very much interesting, right? So did you people got some idea about API? Even you know, but still something little better, feeling better, comfortable for API, exactly what exactly API is. So first class,
Yeah,
how you will get. Okay, fine, not an issue, but we'll do, because I don't know, they have scheduled the session for 1 hour, and today it's my mistake completely. I apologize for that because of miscommunication. but from tomorrow onwards it will not happen. So the class was scheduled from I think 9:30 till 10:30. So we are almost here. So if you people are interested, or if you want to continue, kindly contact to Kumar sir, anyone. I will be your faculty. I will be your trainer, and we will be doing this rest assured automation tool. Today we have just in the overview of API. We'll see some more differences, and we'll start Java. And then first day we will install either IntelliJ or Eclipse, and we will take some public APIs, and we'll see the difference: public facing API, external API, internal API. These all terms will be used in the company because I use every day in my company. So these things you will be hearing from the clients, right? So we can do the same job here also. And guys, please install Postman. I will tell you how to do that. Even you know also, I will tell you Postman you install, and we'll see, because Postman is a manual testing for API. Like that you understand. And rest assured is a complete automation testing for API. So we will same request and response. We will be validating in the rest assured. Same example, and we'll see several examples, several APIs we will take, and we will try to hit. We'll fetch the data, and we'll do that. Okay. Any question you have, please let me know fast.
Sir, can you share quickly details about the course, like how many days it will be, and what are the content of the course and all?
Yeah, fine. Definitely, I will be sharing. Even I shared with this the organizer who is organizing this. I have already shared, but definitely, please ask in the group. But if you come to next class, definitely will be sharing to you. Already I shared in PPT format. Kindly ask them; they will share with you, and even I will inform them in the group.
Okay,
Okay?
sure.
Ah,
Uh,
yeah,
so
definitely you will be getting. Yeah,
so just a quick question.
yeah,
Uh,
yeah.
I mean, is Java prerequisite for this course, or someone who does not know Java? Uh,
Yeah, Java. See, Java is backbone for this course actually, because this language we are going to use to learn this tool, right? But who knows Java, right? Already they know Java. They will have a chance to revise. They can see some more scenarios. But don't think I will be teaching Java end to end, then I will start rest assured. Nothing like that.
okay,
I will be
okay,
doing parallelly both. Getting,
yeah, yeah, and
yeah.
to install Postman, do we need a Windows, or can we do it in Mac? Just wanted to
It
understand.
supports multiple operating system. It supports
Okay,
multiple operating system. We can, even I will tell you, Postman will install. If you will install Eclipse or IntelliJ, that tool for rest assured. Postman will install to see what exactly API, how we are getting request response, how we can play with the request. Okay, we how we'll change the parameters. What is this token? What is this bearer token? What is auth 02, auth 1.22.0? These all things we'll see. Like almost I have given 130 topics for rest assured. Okay,
sure, sure.
so yeah, please do not worry, we'll see. But Java we will start, and in between, okay, Postman will install, manual testing will do API testing. Okay boss, see at least what is the architecture of API, how we are getting the request, how we will fetch the response. These all things we will see in the Postman. And the same thing we will automate. Like here might be I have a Postman. Just if you have time, another 2-3 minutes I will take you. So here, please don't mind. I will be taking another 2 to 3 minutes. Is it okay for you all?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yeah, no, please don't mind.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is Postman. Actually, it's a plugin. Actually, you can see it's a Chrome for Chrome browser. Now it's Edge also. It's coming everything. Now you only see this is the free API. It's in even if you will install a Postman, no, automatically this books API will come. Okay. Now here, if you'll hit this, let's say API books, I am hitting this. I will get the several books here. This is my request. I will hit the send button. Just I am telling the one structure. So here we got the response 200. Okay, in your company, in your project, you have to validate, you have to write a test case. I want to fetch the list of books. I should get the in response all the books name and their details with the response 200. Okay, So now we got the response here down. You can see all the books information we got. Now what testing you are going to do? Boss, I want this fiction, type fiction, and this is the name of the book. I want this one, and this ID is 6. So we'll hit that, right? Something like that. Correct? So see, we got this one, right? And same thing now here, we are hitting this button. This is manual testing of API. This is manual testing of API. In Postman also we can do some automation till some extent, not complete. But here manually we hit the request to book server and we got the response here. So this is my request, this is my response. In response 200 OK means okay, good. This is correct. Server has authenticated with 200 OK means I have sent the correct request and he has sent me the correct response. Now same thing we will be getting through rest assured. I just giving you one overview. Just see Eclipse. Just another 1 minute. Just see same thing. I will write. Let's say I want to fetch thousands books details. So you have to create here thousand numbers and then one by one you have to go through it and you have to fetch the details. Same thing here in automation, you write a 10 lines of code, 100 line of code only one time. Just keep on executing. Just put into one CI/CD tool and just keep on executing. Either make it automatic or manually. See, if I want to get to know, like let's say I want to know book number 7, book number 7, book number 8, book number 9. I want all the details. So that many requests you have to create it here. But if you know Java or any language, simply write a code, use for loop, put all the rest assured methods, and you will get within a second, you will get all the information individually for all this. Let's say this is the same thing I have done just to show you. 1 second. See, same here. I want to fetch these all details, books, like student number one, book number one details I want to fetch. Simply what I have to do here, right? We'll run this. Either you click run here or right click or anyway. This is a manually when I am doing this. But automation only one time you have to click. That's it. So see here, same thing I can get through Java and this is rest assured, right? See, API means we will not see, but we'll get the output. It's not like front end. It's a back end, which cannot be seen, but we'll be getting the output. See, 10 lines of code I have written, and I am getting same results here, right? Same results here. 200 OK message we got. We got the data of these books. See, we got the data of the books. Now, while writing a test case, you have to define, you have to check whether the ID equal to 1 is present or not, check whether 200 OK message is coming or not, check whether the ISBN number is correct or not. This book belongs to this ISBN number. Through this ISBN numbers, I will get this. See, and how it's coming in key and value pairs. Can you see that? And we do have a JSON and we have a parsing methods available in JavaScript. We will do it easily. So same thing I am manually doing through Postman by creating request and all. Okay, I have to, if I have to hit 100 request, 100 request I have to create it here. 100 times I have to click on send button, right? So you only tell how much time it's going to take. In automation, rest assured, simply write a 10 line, 50 lines of code or 100 lines of code only one time and just run your runner file in one shot. Everything you will get here. We are getting in test ng format. Okay, result here, that's fine. We will get some extent report, we will take some cucumber report, pretty format we will be getting. I will be writing some cucumber framework, like you will be developing a framework like this. You will be developing a framework like this. Let's say, just 1 second, another say, source test Java. Okay, here only I am creating a new other. Very long back I used this tool Eclipse. Now everyone is using IntelliJ. Okay, file. So next here, okay, let's say I am writing login API or books API. Let's say books details API, right? Dot feature. So Cucumber plugin, I don't know I have or not. I am not sure. I am not. So here Here, see, it's asking boss to install this Cucumber plugin from your marketplace. Okay, we will install. That's fine. And it will tell you also here it will come. And this is a Cucumber plugin. Here we will be writing all our test case in Cucumber format. Given Gherkin language, Cucumber means Gherkin language. Given when then, so that whenever you will come to the your agile meeting every day, whatever you do, you can say, boss, I have automated this one. Everyone can see this. Even a stakeholders, everyone, they will see your code. They will not see your code. Just they will simply see what you are writing it here. What you are writing it here. Okay. So here I will be writing, okay, given I am on book details library, like that. Oh, I have to restart now. So like that. So this file you have to share with your higher authorities. But as an automation developer, you have to write a code behind this. This is the beauty of Serenity BDD framework. In API, we will be using Cucumber framework. We will integrate. See, everyone do with TestNG. That's easy job. But we will be doing with Cucumber and all. So that tomorrow Karate comes also, you can do it easily. Some other language also come with JavaScript and all. That part also you can do. Right? So that only I wanted to show you. Do you have any question? Please let me know. Because I don't
So
want to waste your
this
time.
course will also cover a test ng.
Yeah, 100%. TestNG will do a lot of scenario. Just now I executed how I executed using TestNG only. In Eclipse,
Okay.
whatever I test, I have the API information I fetched using TestNG.
Okay. And there
Just
is a
now.
link that I have shared in chat. So there are 17 modules mentioned on the website
Hmm.
on the training
Okay.
course. So these will be the modules that will be covered.
Yeah, you have shared in chat.
Yeah, I have shared a link.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, correct.
Okay.
What is the duration of this course? Like how
It
long
will
it's gonna
take,
last?
it is going to 25 to 30 hours.
Okay, so every day 1 hour, 1 hour session,
Yeah, exactly. Every day 1 hour session.
and the timing's gonna be same as we are having
Nine,
this demo session today.
yeah, yeah, for now it's set to 9:30 to 10:30. Yeah, exactly.
On weekdays as well as weekend.
Uh,
No, weekend we are not sure. Monday to Friday, every day we'll have one
Okay.
hour.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So it may take,
hi,
see, yeah, please.
yeah. If anyone only want to learn the Postman or manual
Huh.
testing, then
So this part will be covered. You can learn this in the same course. See,
okay,
I want chocolates. Someone wants chocolate and biscuit. Someone want a complete food package. Yes, it's a part
mm,
of that. You can use it. I
okay,
see. I will Java. I will be teaching. Okay, fine. Who knows Java? That is good for him. Refreshment. Who doesn't know? Fine. I will be starting from ABC Java. Okay. If you even
mm,
you are from electronics background, you are from mechanical background, it's okay. You will
mm,
be writing a program in Java by yourself, OOPS concept, within 7 to 8 days maximum, without any dependencies. That I can guarantee you.
Are there any recorded sessions would be available in case someone missed one or two of the classes?
That's why we are recording here. We will have a recorded session for each class. Yeah, we will have a recorded session every class. That's not
And
a big
once
deal.
the course is completed, so how long we gonna have access to those recorded sessions?
Yeah, they will have some time limits. I think this Kumar sir will give more details on that part because I'm a trainer. Might be sorry
Okay.
for that, but I will face this information and I will tell you that part also.
Okay.
Yeah, so that is the one thing. But yes, see, these are nowadays OAuth 1.0 and 2.0. If whatever, see, we will see data-driven testing using TestNG. We will be using Cucumber framework, Serenity BDD framework, where TestNG, Cucumber, Hurricane, everything will be used, right? So it's not uh, it's I have made this course in such a way that will, like, let's say I have completed first module, okay, creating first Java program, value, data type and all. Okay, fine, we have learned this little bit. We will do some exercise on Postman that day. Again, next day, when we'll go to static and non-static, we'll see rest assured, some example with static and non-static, so that when while developing a framework from scratch, you will have a full confidence, boss, if I am using a static keyword here, or I am using the page object modeling concept, what is the use of that, right? In Cucumber, there is a very big concept that is called Pico container. I have used in Saber, a traveling domain project. There, it's a very big project, and Amadeus. There's two projects I have worked. You won't believe, they have used thousands of Pico container class, thousands of, for API testing, and Pico container is a part of Cucumber. So here you will learn Cucumber also. Here you will learn TestNG also. Here you will learn Java also, and this Serenity BDD complete package you will be getting. Postman also. Some 3 to 4 session will do with Postman also.
Uh, yeah, couple of questions. One
Yeah,
is
yeah,
so while we do test the APIs, there are a lot of
hmm,
DB validations that need to be
correct,
done as a part of end-to-end test. So we will be
correct.
covering that as well.
Yeah, we will tell you how to fetch in the information from DB using API. That part also we will cover with SQL queries.
Okay. And second
But
part
the
is,
thing,
yeah,
yeah, but one thing,
yeah.
sorry for interrupt, I will be interrupting
Mm-hmm,
here. See, you can fetch the data from DB directly with the query, right?
mm-hmm. Okay,
But correct, na? Like generally, if we are using a SQL query, then directly we can fetch the data from DB. But here we are going to fetch through API. So what differences we are going to get here? We will, you will see, we can update the value in DB directly, just hitting the API request through API request,
correct, correct. So my
right?
point
Uh,
was, suppose I make a post request and
Um,
say I create something. Now I want to
mhm.
also validate the database.
Yes.
So do we cover that part as well?
Database integration, I will tell you with the API. Do not worry. Even it's written
Okay,
or not
okay,
written, I will tell you database.
okay, okay,
See, in hash table here, these things are there, no? In this, we will contain those all requests, and we will hit the DB.
okay, okay.
Okay.
So
Uh,
another question that I have is, I mean, if it's a little off track question, you may say. So
okay. Okay.
this REST Assured is a very popular framework for API testing,
Yeah.
but Python is
Yeah.
of late gaining a lot of popularity. So what is the advantage
Yeah.
of using a Java-based framework over a Python-based framework? I mean,
So the thing,
yeah.
yeah, correct. See, both are good. The actually the Python is having like ready-made packages for each and everything. Okay,
Mm-hmm,
Python is having ready-made package. Like, okay, I want some data from Excel. Boss, take Excel package. One
mm-hmm,
package you take, just fetch the data. Okay.
mm-hmm,
But here, Java based, if you are doing, actually, I will tell you, it's not like what is the advantage of using over Python. The question is where it will fit, where this Python with DB or Python with API or Python API we are using, where it will fit in which type of requirement, and Java type of rest assured where it will fit. So if you'll see, if you'll differentiate, is still in the market. If you will leave the AI, machine learning and artificial intelligence data science, then most of the part market will be covered by this Java. Why? Because our application, commercial applications are more rather than the scientific applications, right? So, as you asked, what is the advantage of Java over the Python? Python having some a specific library that you have to use. But in Java, you can use any library. Even in Java, you can use Python library as well. In Java, in Python, you can suit
okay,
wherever it's required. But Python, they are having some specific terms stipulated the same way. you are using no Selenium ID. You might have used in the beginning
Mm-hmm.
7 years back Selenium ID. So what they have
Mm-hmm.
done, they have written the commands in the JavaScript language, right? But
Mm-hmm.
if you want to create a complex test cases, that time those commands will not work.
Mm-hmm.
So for that, again, you have to switch for one a larger type of application where we can modify each and everything in that way. Like Python, I will tell you, let's say I want to create an n-dimensional array, like a 10-dimensional, 5-dimensional, 7-dimensional array, and identity array I want to create. We have a NumPy package, NumPy library we can use it. Maths
Mm-hmm.
library is also there. It is not available in Maths library, but in Python it's available. Python NumPy it's available,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Now the question is, then what is the use of developing the math library? Instead, they are giving me NumPy.
Mm-hmm.
I can create an array. I can create an array using Maths library or simple array module. Why they are giving me NumPy library to create n-dimensional array? So their directions are a bit different. They are more focusing on scientific sides of project, analysis, data analysis type of project. And here we are going to work with commercial type of project. So in your company, which type of project it is? That depends basically. Which type of project? Based on that, we decide the tools. But overall, if you will compare, still Java is covering more market compared to
Yeah, yeah. I
this
mean, that
Python.
is the reason.
um,
Yeah, yeah. That is one of the reasons why I'm attending this class because I have done some
hmm,
automation using. There is a request library in Python, and there
hmm,
is a PyTest
hmm,
framework. So I have done some basic stuff using that. But
hmm, hmm, hmm.
95% of the jobs that I see in the job market, they want rest assured and
Yeah.
Selenium with Java and TestNG.
Why?
So I was
I'll
just
tell you.
wondering why
Python.
there is an obsession with Java.
I will tell you one more difference.
Is it because it is due to
Actually,
legacy or it is due to like
legacy
any
is
other
there.
reason?
Legacy is there, and yeah, and they have developed in their own stipulated way their APIs in Python.
Hmm.
Okay, but if you are using REST assured, no, see, you are free to use SOAP, you are free to use JSON, and integration is very much useful with other tools in the market, whatever it's possible. But Python will have limitations in that case. Like Python with Cucumber, you use. Have you used
Hmm.
Python with Cucumber?
No.
You see the integration flow and their plugins. And here Java with REST assured and Cucumber you see. Because the
Hmm.
API developed in Java REST assured and the API available in the Java, both are very much compatible. And the project nowadays, most of the project either you see e-commerce domain is very vast domain, correct?
Yeah.
And use, yeah, CRM application this type, you will get very like out of 100, 40, 30 to 35% scientific project you will be getting, data analysis project.
Hmm.
So Pythons are very famous in those areas, but Java, REST assured or Karate, these are like general purpose tools which can be fit in any of the applications. That is the main reason we are going to use
Okay.
this
Okay. Okay.
REST
Okay.
assured with Java.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
that is the same reason I was wondering because Python is very, I mean, not very verbose, very easy to write and read and
Yeah.
learn. Whereas Java is a little verbose, so that's why I was wondering, like, why still the industry has not moved
Yeah.
from Java to Python in as far as test automation is concerned.
Yeah. Now you only told Chat GPT has come, right? We have a rumor thousands of jobs gone because of that. But do you think is it a true reason?
No,
Are you getting correct answers from Chat GPT exactly what you want for the specific project?
not very accurate.
Then,
60,
so
70% you can say.
that you by Google also we used to do from beginning, right?
Yeah, it is easier in a Q&A format.
Ah, correct.
That's only.
It's just like Flipkart app is available and online browser Flipkart also you can access in browser also. So app is there directly click log into that and you get all those items. And here in browser you have to navigate to the URL and then you have to log in and do all those stuffs. Same like banking, net banking you can do through browser or if you have app then it's very easy to use, right? but their areas are different. Python areas are completely focused on data science part, artificial intelligence, neural networks. Yes, but this Java part, no, commercial place. Any Java based application you see now, just to get a money, it's a wide
Okay.
range.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why.
Okay.
Yeah, another question. Anyone?
Uh, Chandan, will you share any materials after each session?
See, I will be, yes, I will be sharing. Like today, I have done, let's say, 5 scenarios, correct? So all 5 scenarios, I will have all your IDs, email IDs I will be having. So I can share through the mail also and in chat also. But chat, if I'll say, might be if session got ended and you might have not copied and all. So we can communicate either with the IDs or one central place we can put, and we'll share the URL and you can access those. Like today I have, let's say I have taught you today the static non-static inheritance. I have done 10 programs in the class, and rest assured I have done. So all those examples, whatever I have done, each and every part I will be sharing to you, all those scenarios with notes.
Okay, thank you. And so will
Yeah.
you use IntelliJ or Eclipse for the demonstrations?
So it all depends on, you see, most frequently I am using IntelliJ nowadays, okay, since 2 3 years continuously.
Yeah,
But before that, most of the project I have used Eclipse.
yeah, because
So
market is completely moved to IntelliJ.
yeah,
So
yeah,
I request you
Um,
to use IntelliJ if everyone is okay with that.
Yeah, yeah,
yeah,
that will
yeah. We
be
can.
the right thing to do, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, in which way you want to do, you can do it. It's not an issue. Like here, see, IntelliJ either and Eclipse. If you are using Java, it's very good. It's easy. So what I was talking was this Gherkin language. See, this we are sharing to clients. Clients used to see us like, okay, I want to upload more than 40 files. Now, a layman also can read this language, right? This language. So I am an automation tester. They want to know what exactly I am doing. They will just read this 10 lines. Non-technical person like your product owner and all. But the real things are here. Correct? No? We will not show this to them. But what they will see? They will see this one. English, simple English language. That's why this, you won't believe, out of all these tools, Cucumber is a wrapper which is getting frequently used in all the projects. Cucumber is very much famous compared to this REST assured or Selenium. This Cucumber will be used with all the tools actually, most of the tools. Because nowadays Agile is getting followed every time. Stakeholders will be involved. Your product owner is there. He is explaining your design and everything. And now, according to that, you have to show him, boss, I am going to automate this functionality. Tell me whether it's so. Being a non-technical person, also those guys can understand what exactly you are going to do in automation. Earlier it was everyone using, okay, test ng rest assured, but 100 functions are there, 100 Java files are there. Who will read that? These product owners, they will have time to go through those codes, then they will become a developer. But if you will share this, they will easily get to know what exactly we are going to do, right?
Yeah, I mean, I work as a product owner, so I mean, even
Yeah,
for we use this Gherkin syntax for acceptance criteria. So whenever we
exactly.
have the audits, yeah.
Yeah, in Jira, there is a Cucumber plugin, right? So there,
Yeah.
yeah, you told correct. So their manual tester will write a test case in Cucumber format like this, and automation tester will also see there are 100 lines of scenarios we can write into 10, 15 lines, and under this all codes are covered. We will doing that. So a product owner, as he told, he is a product owner. Now he will be understanding it very easily what exactly we are going to do. So this Cucumber is a hub which integrates all the team members together, developers, testers, product owner, exactly what we are going to do for this functionality. That's why Cucumber is developed. And UI, with UI automation, everyone will be using this Cucumber. But REST API, with REST API, we are going to use this Cucumber format. So that tomorrow if you switch to some Cypress API automation side, Cucumber easily you can use, and instead of writing this here, you will, okay, I should get 200, okay, like that. I will be getting 403. Okay, check the permission issue. So these all response code you have to actually understand in API automation, and then you have to do it. What is automation tester job or tester job? To validate whatever requirement is there, whether it's working as per the requirement, means whatever according to the functionality behavior it is working. Their behavior is working as per the requirement or not. The development is going on, right? So this is very much important. Yeah, another question, please let me know. Any another questions you have, then please let me know. Otherwise, we'll wind up the session.
Actually, in the portal, they mentioned like 30 days the course duration. So I'm just wondering, is it possible to cover JavaScript and all those things, test engine concepts and
JavaScript, see, we are not going, we are a tester. We are not going to learn in terms of development perspective, right? We are not going to become a developer. We are also we are a automation developer, but how much it's required, we'll know. We need core Java. We don't require advanced Java, right? And as 30 hours is written, so almost it's a 1.5 months, right? Monday to Friday, one hour if you will do. So 30 hours, if we say, either it may be 3 hours minus or 3 hours plus. Some 5 to 4 hours fluctuation will be there. So what is that Java? If you don't know, I will be teaching you OOPS concept. How long it's going to take, right? I will have a scenarios. I will be doing the. I will tell the concept. I based on the concept, I will doing the exercise. The same thing you have to practice. Come in the next class, do that. How much time it's going to take? So 30 hours, 32 hours, 33 hours, 29 hours also possible. So do not bother for time, like it's not going to take 72 hours or it's not going to take 60 hours. Yes, we are a industry people. We are not a like we are studying engineering second year or something, and we will not go that much fast also. Unless you understand, I'll not go ahead. So that is commitment from my side. So just see 1, 2, 3 class. If you are comfortable, it's okay. We'll see. Tomorrow I will be starting with Java concept and a little bit Postman. Some will play with some APIs, some response. We'll understand what is this parameter, what is this base URL, sub URL. These all things we'll learn, right? So do not worry for time. Whatever time is there, in that only we are going to cover it. It might be 3, 4 hours extra or 2 hours less. That's it. But it will not exceed more than 40 hours, 35 hours. It's not like that. We will do. We know. See, in a company, if your trainers come, in our company, the Ruby trainer has come. In 1 week, he has completed each and every part of Ruby with API. You won't believe. But in that way, we can't learn. Here, a 1 hour, that's why we are doing every day. Examples we'll do, and then we will do the practical sessions with the Java and REST assured, so that you can easily understand. Any API from Google, you can take public API, 7, 8 API you take, hit that request, play with that. Try to find out some parameters, pass some arguments, try to parameterize the URL, try to get some different auths. That same thing will happen in your project. It's not a rocket science. Yeah, hope I am clear.
yes.
Yeah, thanks for answering all the queries.
And thanks for
Uh,
your patience. Yeah, yeah. Please go ahead. Anything?
just one quick question, sorry. Someone who is
Uh,
non-technical like me,
uh-huh.
will it be easy for me? I mean, Just wanted to understand that.
See, I am a software engineer also. I can understand your feelings. See, in my career, I have taught to mechanical guys, electronics guy who is not from programming background, right? And
Yeah,
you won't believe, even after 6 to 7 days, they were able to write a program,
yeah,
conceptual wise. Yes. Nowadays, we will see one line in Google or in book and we'll practice the session. But after 5, 6 class, I am giving you guarantee, without seeing any web or any notes, you will be writing some programs in your notebook.
sure, sure. Okay, cool.
I
That's
will not teach like write a program to get a Fibonacci series, this series, that series. This is all kids' behavior gone. We have to work on the practical projects. How we'll face the data, how we can represent in our team, how we can develop a optimized test case, how we can give some better performance. So we are in that stage, and don't bother for Java. You
yeah,
will learn from ABCD.
yeah. Cool. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
yeah. Any other questions? Please let me know, guys. So we'll wind up the session.
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. Thanks for your patience, and once again, sorry for delay in response. From tomorrow, you won't get this complaint. Okay. Thanks. Bye.
Thanks.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you.